Once upon a time in Spain, there was a little bull, and his name was Ferdinand. Wait, what did you say? I love unicorns!
The book I'm reading is called Coqui in the City, and Coqui is a little tree frog that only lives in Puerto Rico. In San Juan, Miguel brought his pet frog Coqui everywhere.
All the other little bulls would run and butt their heads together, but not Ferdinand. He liked to just sit quietly and smell the flowers. As the years went by, Ferdinand grew and grew and grew until he was very big and strong.
One morning, Mama and Papa had some important news. They were moving to the United States, and the streets were full of interesting sights and sounds.
And all the lovely ladies had flowers in their hair.
The newness of everything was overwhelming. Mama, I miss Coqui. But an interesting sound caught Miguel's attention. Who can make a good frog sound? That's really good. That's what Miguel was hearing. Coqui? He found a small pond full of frogs. Mama, mira, can I take one home? Mama laughed. No, mijo. La canción del Coqui will be with you everywhere you go. In your new adventures, in your smile, and most importantly, in your loving heart. The end.
Bada bing.
You are a good frog.